This is Daddy from Busy Daddy Cooks. Today we are making curry prawns with coconut milk. First, prepare the prawns. This is 400 grams of large prawns. Cut off the front sharp part of the prawns. Now insert the scissors between the head and the body and cut along the top. Use a knife and cut about halfway through the meat and remove the veins. Next, prepare the curry paste. In a bowl, add 2 tablespoons of curry powder, half a teaspoon of salt, quarter of a teaspoon of sugar, 2 teaspoons of oyster sauce, and 40 ml of water. Stir this mixture into a paste. Add 2 tablespoons of oil into a clay pot over medium heat. Fry the garlic for about 30 seconds. Add in the curry paste and fry it till it's fragrant. The curry paste burns quickly, so make sure you are on medium to medium-low heat. Fry the curry paste till it's fragrant and a little dry. Something like this. Add in 200 ml of coconut milk. And 150 ml of water. Bring the curry to a boil for about 2 minutes. Add in the prawns. Bring it to a boil over medium heat for about 2 to 3 minutes till all the prawns are done. Garnish with coriander. This is curry prawns in coconut milk.